Here you can see NZ made $390, Cobas made $127, Evans made $752, and C made $9,422 just with one $7 product. This product is called $7 OLSP system, which helps you to generate 7 streams of income. Here you can see on the right side, you will see your mega link, which is also your promotional link. And you can see my commission within 24 hours, and 622 people made sale in last 24 hours. If you join through the link in the description, you will get both of these products for absolutely free. There are many products if you want to buy, but those are not compulsory to buy. You can also directly purchase traffic from this site, but I haven't bought any traffic because I use organic method to drive traffic in this website. I have made $96 so far. Today we are going to use Instagram to generate traffic. Here you can see my account reached over 900,000 in last 30 days. Here you can see all my traffic and engagement of this account. Here you can see I have generated 806 link clicks. Let me show you how you can do the same. Search affiliate marketing and go to hashtags. Here you can see top performing reels and Instagram posts. Click on the top performing reels and copy this link and search Instagram Reels downloader online. Go to this website and paste your link here. Once you download the video, copy all the captions from this post, create a post and paste it here. And don't forget to give credit on the caption and share. To promote OLSP system, we cannot change website link from the computer, but you can do it on your phone. This $7 OLSP systems link is in the description. Don't forget to check it out and join as soon as possible, because if you join today, you will get up to 87% discount.